Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a Korean radish banchan. To start this dish, we need half of a Korean radish. I'm slicing this on a mandolin. If you don't have mandolin, just slice it as thin as possible. If you're using a mandolin, just watch your knuckles. You don't want to sacrifice them to the mandolin gods. We're then going to matchstick this up. You can also use daikon radish, but I like Korean radish because it's a little fatter and wider and easier to work with in my opinion when you're slicing on a mandolin. Now we're going to dry brine this, so we're going to add a little salt, kosher salt, and a little sugar, and we're going to let this sit on the radish after we mix it through for about half an hour because we want to pull some of that moisture out and soften up our radish. Just give that a really good mix, make sure it's coated in the sugar and the salt, and set that aside. It's been half an hour. You can see a lot of liquid has come out, so we're going to squeeze out as much of the liquid as possible and pop this into a strainer, but don't throw away the liquid. We're going to use it for our little sauce that we're going to make on top. For some aromatics, we need 2 scallions, both the white and the green parts, just giving this a really rough chop. Doesn't have to be perfectly even. Smashing and mincing up 3 cloves of garlic as well. We're going to use some plum sauce. You can use maple syrup if you can't find plum sauce. Rice wine vinegar, add a little acidity, a little white pepper or black if that's what you have, and gochujang to make it a little spicy. All the measurements are in the description box below. Give that a really good mix till we have a beautiful dressing for our radish. We're going to put the radish back in and mix this thoroughly until it's fully coated in our sauce. Transfer this over to an airtight container, just like we did with our carrot banchan, and this tastes better the longer it sits, so let that sit for about 24 hours to get the real full flavor, and don't forget to pour over the rest of that sauce on top. Be sure to spill it on your bench as I do. I am messy sometimes, but that's what paper towels are for. Wiping off the rim, sealing this up, but there it is, Korean radish banchan. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.